To connect your Tikom L8000 Pro with Google Assistant, first of all, you will need to make sure that you have your Google Home app installed. You can find it on Google Play Store, and then when you've installed that app, make sure to log in and create your home. It will be during a first setup after you open that app. When you have that sorted out, we can move to our Tuya app where we can find our robot. Click on it and then navigate to the pen button in the top right corner of the screen, and from here select the third-party control. Now go for a Google Assistant and then wait a moment until we can link it to our Google. During that, we'll need to click on continue and just proceed throughout the setup, and finally agree and link. From there, you will have an option to select the specific room and house that you want to assign the robot for. We can move our device into the back door. And here it is, we can click on done. Now if we call out our Google Assistant, like, hey Google, start cleaning with Dustinator. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.